The ground is shaking, war at hand, but still I trust your sovereign plan. You speak a word, the earth obeys. My strength renewed, my heart ablaze.